Hello everyone, hope you all are fit and fine. This is Muhammad Abdullah Alamin sir. Today I am gonna make a presentation on Bogora district. Bogora district is surrounding by 6 districts. They are Gaibanda, Jamalpur, Sirajganj, Natur, Nauga and Jaipurhat. If you look at the northern part of this district, you will find Shivganj. If you look at the northeast part of this district, you will find Sonatola. If you look at the eastern part of this district, you will find Shaiakhandi and Gaptari. Dhunot Upazila is located the southeast point of this district. Sherpur and Shahjahanpur is located the southern part of this district. Nandigram is located southwest part of this district. Adamdighi, Dubchachia and Kahalu Upazila are located western part of this district. Bogura Sodor is located in the middle of this district where we are staying now. That's all about my presentation.
Bilingual Learning Center, BLC, Bogura.